Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Melva from Simply Melva, and your girl is back with another video. Yes, I am back with another video, and today is going to be an unboxing from Made by RJ Cosmetics. Yes, she does wholesale, and I ordered some things from her website. So if you guys would like to see me unbox this box of goodies, stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're gonna get right into the video, and yes, got my package today, which is Wednesday. I was expecting this package to come in Friday, which would be, I think, the 12th. And yeah, it came early, so I wanted to get this video done so that I can get it out for you guys because I'm excited and I didn't want to open it without recording it. So yeah, let's get into it. I always have a hard time trying to. Okay. Okay, that's that. And we got, oh, okay. So we have like a little card here. Tag us in the selfies. Again, this is made by RJ Cosmetics. She does do wholesale for anybody that's selling lip gloss. So check her out. Y'all, I'll be supporting the small businesses because, again, I'm an upcoming small business owner and I know how it is. And you know, hey, gotta support each other basically. And while I'm trying to open this, a couple small businesses that I have supported now is Made by RJ. Who else? Shelly Daughter's Beauty and Bougie Barbie. So y'all go check them ladies out. Baby, she got this stuff wrapped up for real. Bubble wrap. So, this is the box that it comes in. Made by RJ. It's pink. So cute. Has her name there as well. Custom box. And I'm about to open it. Oh, let's get y'all in here so y'all can see. There we go. There we go. So I got 16 ounce of the color Mauve lip gloss. And these are 8 ounces. So there's 2. And this is the color Mauve. Isn't that pretty? Oh my God, I cannot wait. I cannot wait, y'all. Should I open up one? I think I'm gonna open one so y'all can see. Here we go. Ooh. I really don't have a scent. It doesn't have a scent. Okay. This is what it's looking like. I don't want to spill none out, but y'all get the drift. Mauve. Oh, that is so pretty. I cannot wait to try it out. So y'all make sure y'all are following me on Instagram at Simply Melva Beauty so that you can see swatches of the Mauve lip gloss. Ooh, got it on my hands, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the next thing I got, which are individually packaged. Let's see. Oh, let me show y'all. They're individually packaged. I got 10 of these right here. Got 10 of them, which they are dark brown, if I'm not mistaken, dark brown lip pencils. So I'm gonna take one out. So let's see. Here we go. It says it's in the shade Cocoa. Hopefully y'all can see that. It's dark brown. This is very pretty. Look at that, you guys. These will be added to the website, Simply Melva Beauty. You know what I'm saying? Go cop that. Support your girl. Okay, so yeah, I got 10 of those. And if I'm not mistaken, these the 16-ounce lip gloss base was $89.99. And for 10 of the lip pencils, I paid $40. I forgot I actually got these little stars. Aren't these cute? I want to make a clear gloss and put these stars in there. And last but not least, I got 12 of these lip oils. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, yes. You guys, I cannot wait. Like, let me set this up. I cannot wait. Like, I cannot wait to get this stuff out to you guys. Like, get it on the site and you guys can go shop till you drop. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Again, all this stuff came from Made by REJ Cosmetics. You guys, I'm so excited. I'm going to use my own products so that I can let you guys know the real tea. You know what I'm saying? Because I will not, like, you know, tell you guys about anything that I don't personally use or, you know, personally know about. So, yes, y'all follow me on Instagram at Simply Melva Beauty so that you guys can see all the products that I come out with, because this is not it. This is not it, honey. I'm going to grow. Your girl is going to expand. I am speaking it. I'm receiving it. And it's going to happen. So stay tuned. Stick with me. Go shop. SimplyMelvaBeauty.com. So, yeah. That was everything I got. Again, this was made by REJ Cosmetics. Everything was nice. Packaged. Shipping was fast. Like, I know I'm going to be more than overjoyed with everything that comes from buying this stuff. So yeah, and you know, I'm gonna come back with the tea to let you know how everything is going. Again, follow me over on my business Instagram at Simply Melva Beauty. And thank you guys for watching. And if you guys would like to see more videos like this, y'all already know what to do. Drop it down in the comments. Give your girl a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.